Hello children, here we are going to discuss about a polygon. In geometry, a polygon can be defined as a flat or plane, two-dimensional closed shape with straight sides. It means polygon is a closed figure made up of line segments. It does not have curved sides. Kinds of polygon. We have four types here. First one, regular polygon. It has equal length sides with equal angles between each side. Second one, irregular polygon. It has unequal length sides and unequal angles between sides. A third one, convex polygon. A convex polygon is a polygon with all interior angles smaller in measure than a straight angle. Can you see one figure here? In a convex polygon, all diagonals will occur in the interior of the polygon. Okay? A fourth one, concave polygon. In a concave polygon, at least one interior angle is greater than 180 degree. Can you see one figure here? Here we have a triangle, rectangle and a pentagon, five-sided polygon, right? Listen carefully children. The sum of the measures of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We have learned before, right? Listen carefully children. Here we can see three interior angles, 1, 2, 3. Sum of these three angles becomes 180 degree. Okay, listen. Next we have to find some of the measures of this rectangle. To get that, we have to divide this rectangle into triangles. How many triangles we can see here? Children, yes, we can see here 1, 2 triangles. Sum of the measures of the three interior angles of this first triangle becomes 180 degree, right? Then here also we can see 180 degree. So 180 plus 180 how much? Yes, 180 degree plus 180 degree equals 360 degree. Okay. Now we have a pentagon. Here also we have to divide this polygon into different triangles. How many triangles we can form here children? Listen carefully. First triangle, then second triangle, third triangle. We can divide this into three triangles. Here 180, here also 180, 180. So 3 into 180, right? What about 3 into 180? Listen carefully children. 3 into 180 degree. 3 into 0, 0. 3 8s are 24. Then 3 into 1, 3 plus 2, 5. So 540 degree. Here 180, no? Interior angles. Sum of these three interior angles 180, right? Listen, this 180 equals. How many sides are here? 3. 3 minus 2 into 180. 3 minus 2 how much children? 3 minus 2 equals 1. 1 into 180. Yes. 180 degree, right? Here we have 360 degree, right? This 360 degree also equals number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4 sides minus 2 into 180. Listen children, 4 minus 2, yes, 2 into 180. Answer becomes how much? Yes, 360, no? 360 degree. Now we have 540. This 540 also equals, how many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 into 180. 5 minus 2 how much children? Yes, 3 into 180. What about 3 into 180 degree? Yes, equals 540 degree. From this, we can form a formula to find sum of the measures of the interior angles of a polygon. Listen children, here 5 4, 3. Number of sides, no? 5, 4, or 3. So, general formula to find sum of the interior angles of these polygons equals side, number of sides minus 2 into 180 degree. Here n stands for number of sides of a polygon. So n minus 2 into 180 degree. Is it clear, children? Exterior angles of polygons. If the side of a polygon is extended, the angle formed outside the polygon is the exterior angle. Can you see one figure here? The sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. We can see here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. It is a 4-sided polygon. Right? So listen carefully, children. Here x plus 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree equals how much, children? Yes. Number of sides 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, right? Then x plus 50 plus 130, 180. 180 plus 120, how much, children? Yes, 300. 300 degree equals 4 minus 2, 2. 2 into 180. 2 into 180 degree. Then equals 2 into 180, 360 degree, right? Now listen carefully, children. Here x equals 360 minus 300. Answer becomes how much, children? As value of x becomes 60 degree. Is it clear, children? Here also we can see 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. So listen carefully, children. Here, can you give me measurement of this interior angles? How much? From this marking we can understand it is 90 degree. If it is 90, here also we can see 90 degree. Why, children? Linear pair, no? Total 180. 90 plus 90, only we can see here 180. Listen, from this we can write x plus 60 degree plus 70 degree plus 90 degree equals number of sides here 4, no? 4 minus 2 into 180 degree, or directly you can write there 360 degree. Then x plus how much, children? 60 plus 70, 130 plus 9 equals 220 degree equals how much? 360, no? Then x equals 360 minus 220 equals how much? How much, children? Equals 140 degree. Is it clear, children? Listen carefully, children. From this figure we have to find value of x. To get the x, listen carefully. We know that sum of the measures of the exterior angle of a polygon always 360 degree, right? Here 70 plus x plus how much degree? Yes, from this marking we can write here 90 degree. 90 degree plus 60 degree plus this angle. If it is 90, here also we can mark 90 degree. Clear now, children? 90 degree. Okay. So from this we can write 70 degree plus x degree or x plus 90 degree plus 60 degree plus one more 90 equals 360 degree. Okay. Listen, children, here 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 60, how much, children? 180 plus 60, 240. 240 plus 70. Answer becomes 310. 310 degree plus x equals 360, right? Then from this easily can write a value of x. How much, children? Yes, 360 degree minus 310 degree. It becomes how much? Yes, 50 degree. Value of x here 50 degree. Okay, clear, no?